So the angle grinder is going to come out to be 153, and the battery is going to come out to be 125.77.
We are at the Home Depot getting ready to do the return part of the Milwaukee Hack.
The Milwaukee 4.5-inch grinder, 3670-20. Instead of $279, I'm going to show you how to get it for $125. How to do the Milwaukee Hack next. It's the first live and the first Milwaukee Hack of 2026. Tonight, we're going to do the very first Milwaukee Hack of the season, and it's going to be the 4.5-inch angle grinder. And what got me kind of just thinking about getting this, and it just so happened that sitting here, it's wintertime, right? And not doing a lot of yard work, but I'm thinking about doing yard work, especially since we just sodded the front lawn back in the, I think, was it late fall of 2025. And I'm thinking about mowing, and I'm like, you know what? I don't have a really good way of sharpening my mower blades for my Milwaukee mower. And I was like, what's the best way, the easiest way that I could do that? I just don't have the right tools to sharpen the blades. And so I'm like, is that just an excuse for me to get a new tool to do my first Milwaukee Hack of the season? I'm like, probably so. What we're going to do tonight, we're going to hop onto Home Depot, and this sale, it's kind of a sale, but the Milwaukee Hack, you can do this, I think, until January 31st, where this kind of promotion is going to end. So we're going to go ahead and go onto Home Depot website. Let's get that up here on the screen. And what you're going to do when you do any kind of Milwaukee Hack, you can't just hack any kind of tool, right? You can't just hack any kind of Milwaukee tool that you need. There's only certain ones that are available to hack. We're going to step you through. We're only going to do the one tool tonight. And like I said, it's going to be the angle grinder 3670-20. And that's the 4.5-inch angle grinder. So if we type in Milwaukee 4.5-inch grinder, and you can see in my search history, I've already done that earlier. Actually, I went ahead and did the order, did the hack. We just want to be laser focused to show you guys how to do it on this one here. I get so many people that will comment later on after watching my video. Just get to the point. Fast forward to 3 minutes and 15 seconds when he gets to the meat and potatoes. Like I can't win for nothing. Sometimes I don't give enough information. The other times it just goes on and on and on. So tonight we're just going to do the grinder. Okay. So the one that we're wanting is not the 2880-20 that you see here, although you can get that one, and I'm sure that's perfectly fine too. And that one there looks like it could be hackable. We're going to go down and do, okay, this one right here. This particular one right here. All right, so we have the M18 fuel cordless 4.5-inch grinder, and it comes with the 8 amp hour battery. Actually, this is not the, let me go back. I'm going to go back one, because that's going to be a kit with the battery, and we don't want that because you're not able to return that. So let me redo this here. 3670-20. Specifically just the tool is the one that we want. Okay, here we go. So it's this one here for $279, and by hacking it, we're going to end up getting this for $153. I'm going to make sure I've got the comments turned on so I can see comments when they come through. So the grinder that we want, 3670 3670-20 for $279. What you're going to see that is going to allow you to hack it is when you get a free gift or get a free battery. Okay, so let's go ahead and click this. And what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down. You see where it says ends January 31st. So you're going to be able to do this until the end of January if you want to add the grinder to your tool arsenal. And you want to do that for $153, which I thought was a great price. And this is one that I was talking to a couple other of my friends that are into Milwaukee. They offer this hack throughout the year. Like, they've offered this hack on this particular model several times this past year. So if you don't get it now in January, I'm sure you'll be able to do it as the year goes on. So you're going to shop this offer, okay? And on this particular one for the Hack, you can only add the 8 amp hour Forge battery, okay? So we're going to go ahead and select that, and you see that adds that in there as your free battery. Now, you know, when it comes to the Milwaukee Hack, you're not necessarily getting the battery for free. What they're doing is they're breaking down the cost associated between both items as if you were getting the battery for free. So here's what we're going to do. You're going to add it to your cart. Okay, so now that we have the grinder and the battery selected, you're going to add that to your cart. And this is where it's going to verify that the Hack is going to work for you. Again, I didn't come up with the name Milwaukee Hack. I don't know who came up with it. This has been going on for years. It's just another way for us to think that we're getting a really good deal on Milwaukee tools. So here in your cart, you're seeing the line item price. Now this is key because this is going to allow you to return it with your receipt and have the line item cost of when you return your battery to get the angle grinder for $153.23. All right, so this is what you want to see. So they're associating that free battery. They're giving that battery a cost of $125.77. So view your cart. And the total for this is going to be $279. So the angle grinder is going to come out to be $153. And the battery is going to come out to be $125.77. Now, the best way to do this, you can do this several different ways. What I do, and I've done the Milwaukee Hack now over 10 times in the last couple years, never have once had a problem. We'll talk about people that claim to have problems with the Milwaukee Hack, about getting banned, their account getting canceled or whatever. We've talked about this several times in the past year. There's nothing wrong with the Milwaukee Hack. I've talked to not only my Home Depot manager, I've talked to our Milwaukee rep. I did a video on that September, October, where I just went up to the Milwaukee rep and said, hey, what do you know about the Milwaukee Hack? What do you think about it? Go back to that video. Basically, what he told me, they could care less. As long as you're not stealing it. He's like, as long as you're not walking out stealing our products, we don't care. And I asked him, I said, has that ever come up in a team meeting or say? He goes, no, we've never talked about it. It's never been an issue since he's been the Milwaukee rep at Home Depot. That's not to say that there hasn't been people that have had their accounts flagged or banned or closed down. What I think is happening in those situations, there's other things that these people are doing in addition to the hack, or they're taking the hack to extreme measures and they have a return of thousands and thousands of dollars. And with anything in life, when you get greedy, you're raising attention to yourself. Okay? But in and of itself, nothing is wrong with the Milwaukee Hack. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and finish out this order. And again, I've already done it. The best way to do this, how I do it, I just have it delivered to my house for free. So when you complete your order, make sure you have delivery set for your angle grinder, delivery for your battery. You will get it within a day or two. I got mine within a couple days. As soon as you take possession of that delivery on your front porch, take that battery, it comes separate. Take that back with your receipt. Go back to the store. Go back to any store. It doesn't matter. With your receipt, go to customer service. And this is all I do. I walk up, returning a battery, nothing wrong with it, don't need it. Show them either the receipt or the phone that has the barcode on it. And this time around, when I did the return, I actually got a guy for the very first. Usually there's 2 or 3 ladies that work customer service. Never had an issue. First time the grumpy old guy was there working. I was like, oh, this might be interesting. I've heard some stories from people in the comments having issues returning their items. But again, this is like any other sale at Home Depot, any other sale. If you go to Target, Walmart, as long as you have a receipt, Kohl's, and you don't open it, don't mess around, they don't care. It's just a normal transaction that you're returning within the allotted amount of time. I'm in and out within, this time it was actually pretty quick, maybe a little over a minute. And then I got $125.77 credited back to my account, which just showed up today on my credit card. So officially, that is where you get the angle grinder for $153.23. And so the fun part for me in the next few days is I'm going to get to open up that grinder. I've got a couple other projects going on in the house, but I'm looking forward to figuring out how to sharpen my mower blades. That'll be a whole fun thing too. But for $153, finally get a grinder added to my weekend dad DIY arsenal. I think it's a pretty good deal for this model. So if you're looking to understand how to do the Milwaukee Hack, there you go. That's kind of how the hack works with all of the tools that come up to these kind of promotions. If you're looking for certain things, again, we got the tower light. I got the Milwaukee mower. We hacked that last spring. I got that for $5.99. They're all basically the same. These aren't kits. You can't return parts of the kits. You know, the things that come like the tool and it comes with a battery or two as a kit, that's not the Milwaukee Hack because you can't return those things. When it's broken down line item like you guys are seeing here, you see how where it says the angle grinder is $153 and then the battery is $125. That's where you can return line items. That's how it works. It's a great deal if you need the 8 amp hour Forge battery and the grinder. But I've got plenty of batteries. I've already got a couple Forge batteries. I don't need another one. I just wanted the grinder for a really good price. So then we return the battery.
All right, we are at the Home Depot getting ready to do the return part of the Milwaukee Hack. We're gonna go ahead and return the 8 amp hour Forge battery. Never had an issue ever returning this. We're probably on number 10, 11 on the hacks, so I'll let you know how it goes when we come back into the truck.
All right, so there you have it. The hack is done. About $130 back to the credit card, making the 4.5-inch grinder $150. So first time that I got a dude, I think, at the customer service. It's just a normal transaction, a return. In and out within about 40 seconds. Got ourselves a great 4.5-inch grinder. Get that mower blade sharpened up. I am still looking for one person that has had their account flagged or shut down at Home Depot because of the Milwaukee Hack that will actually come on and just talk to me on here, on video. I'll do a little interview because I'm curious to see what happened and how your account got banned. Every time I post something about the Milwaukee Hack, I have guys that say, oh, I got banned, my thing got flagged, and then I start asking questions. Well, what were you doing? How many do you do? And then it goes silent. They won't give me any more information. So my invitation is for really anybody that's out there that has had actual problems after doing the Milwaukee Hack and your account gets banned. I'd love to talk to you about it, just to kind of see what's going on. And then to also see if you have talked to anybody from Home Depot and or Milwaukee. So I have. Now, that's not to say that that's a company-wide policy. That's not to say that other stores or other people haven't had issues. I just can't confirm people that have had issues. All I can tell you guys is Home Depot store manager that I talked to here a while ago, he said they don't care. And then the Milwaukee rep that I talked to back in October, he sees me there all the time. And at first, he wasn't even really sure what it was. But he's like, look, we never heard of it really. Doesn't sound like it's an issue. It's not a problem. As long as you're not stealing. As long as you're not walking out with our product without paying for it. You know, there's people out there that think the Milwaukee Hack is like stealing. And that I don't think necessarily they understand what the Milwaukee Hack is. That's the hack. That's how you do it. That's how you get the grinder for $153.23. Look, I'm here to just help the average guy out there get a good deal on some Milwaukee tools. I'm a Milwaukee fan, not a Milwaukee shill though. There's a difference. I'm not shilling Milwaukee products. I'm not one of those accounts that's just, selling all this bullshit stuff. I'm just a fan, and I'm a casual weekend DIYer. Don't know what I'm doing, but I've gotten to the point in life where I'm like, yeah, why not? Why can't I try to fix it? With YouTube and the right tool in hand, you can kind of figure it out. You can kind of figure anything out. And that's kind of like what I've figured out at this stage in the game, where I am at 50 years old. I can kind of fix anything, almost anything. All right, have any questions? Let me know in the comments.